Hi, I'm Lindsay. I'm a Beachbody coach with the Sweet Elite, and I am here to talk today about those special colorful containers that everyone keeps asking about. I know that it can seem a little bit scary or intimidating at first when you see so many different containers and you're like, oh my gosh, is that all I get to eat? That's like the number one question when I introduce the 21-Day Fix to someone. And no, that is not all you get to eat. You get to eat a lot of food. In fact, so much food that you may decide you can't eat it all every day. That was flabbergasting to me because I'm hungry a lot. And for me to be able to use these containers and balance them and not drop them, but to use them and to fill them up and potentially at the end of the day have leftover containers was really mind-boggling to me because I'm hungry like all the time. I think about food a lot. But the program is 21-Day Fix, and if you haven't heard of it, then you maybe don't watch TV or have Facebook. But it's a really popular plan because it works. I've had challengers lose anywhere from 5 to 15 pounds in just 21 days. Pretty incredible. I myself just finished my 5th round of 21-Day Fix Extreme, and in my 5th round, I lost another 5.1 pounds. So it works as long as you are willing to give it a whirl. The nice thing about the 21-Day Fix is it's kind of foolproof. They set you up to figure out your calorie bracket, and then once you figure out your calorie bracket, that kind of determines how many times you fill up these containers throughout the day. So I had someone say to me recently, I just don't have time to wash all those containers all the time. No, ain't nobody got time for that. I'm not washing these babies every day either. What I usually do is on Sunday evenings, I try to measure out what I'm going to be eating throughout the week, and I try to prep it ahead of time so that things are really super easy and there's no time to make excuses during the week. And I just use these guys as measuring cups. So for example, the purple one is for fruit, and I'm going to struggle to get it open. What I do is, if I can open it up, what I do is I just kind of open up this guy and I wash my fruit and I pile it all in, and then I just dump it into Ziploc bags, and I just portion out. I get 2 of these a day, so I just portion out 10 a week, and I just know I can grab that Ziploc bag of fruit and take it with me, and that's one of my purple containers for the day. Same thing with all the other containers. The reds for me are probably the hardest because they're protein and I don't eat a lot of meat. Some cool things to know about the reds are cottage cheese is protein. Your Shakeology counts as a protein. So every morning when I have breakfast and I have my Shakeology, that counts as one of my reds. So one thing I've learned through the 21-Day Fix is that I need to consume more protein. That was something that I wasn't getting enough of. So that's good to know. The green is for your vegetables, and I get 4 of these a day as well in my calorie bracket. This one's not so hard for me. One salad usually for me will be 2 green containers between lettuce and all the other vegetables. The orange containers are seeds and healthy oils. Again, there's 2 of them, and I firmly believe that there's 2 of them because the people that created 21-Day Fix know that it's really a pain to clean containers when there's oil in them. So they gave us 2 so that we wouldn't have to clean them on a daily basis. Thank you. Blue is for like healthy fats, like nuts and cheese and things like that. Again, really easy. I usually throw 12 almonds in there and call it a day. And then the yellow is for carbs, and you'll notice that yellow is a lot smaller than green, and so that was another thing that I learned through the 21-Day Fix is that I eat a lot of carbs. I love carbs. So it was kind of eye-opening to realize that maybe I needed to cut back like 90% of what I was eating, and that I would still be full and satisfied at the end of every day. So if you've been thinking about the containers and you've had questions about them and you weren't quite sure how to get started or what everything entailed, I just wanted to kind of take a minute to share them with you. They aren't exactly fancy. I guess they're special. That's what everyone asks me. What are those special colored containers that you're using? They just really make life simple. They're color-coded so that I know what food group goes in them, and they're the exact size that I'm supposed to have. And I know how many of each container I get each day. I just wanted to add that if you sign up with me for the 21-Day Fix, not only will you get all 7 of these containers and this amazing book with recipes and guides and all sorts of things to make this foolproof, but you'll also get me as a coach. And with that, that means that I will provide you with sample meal plans, menus, shopping lists. I've helped some of my challengers to create a blended workout program so that they can continue running and also incorporate the 21-Day Fix. I'm just here to be like your accountability partner and your biggest cheerleader. And I think my favorite part about the 21-Day Fix is the challenge groups that my team runs. If you can imagine being in a sorority with no backstabbing and everyone just really gets along and genuinely loves each other and wants each other to do well, and everyone's goal-oriented, that's what a challenge group is. It's almost like you can't find it in real life. It's pretty incredible. So I'd love for you to try this program out and join us in July.